On June 17, 1885, the dismantled Statue of Liberty. The gift of friendship from the people of France to the people of America. Arrives in New York Harbor after being shipped across the Atlantic Ocean in 350 individual pieces packed in more than 200 cases. The statue was initially scheduled to be finished by 1876. And a ceremony presided over by U.S. President Grover Cleveland became known around the world as an enduring symbol of freedom and democracy, intended to commemorate the American Revolution and a century of friendship between the U.S. and France. The statue was designed by the French sculptor Frédéric-Auguste Bartholdi, who modeled it after his own mother, with assistance from the engineer Gustave Eiffel, who later developed the iconic tower in Paris bearing his name. The statue was initially scheduled to be finished by 1876, which is the 100th anniversary of America's Declaration of Independence. However, fundraising efforts, which included auctions, a lottery and boxing matches, took longer than anticipated, both in Europe and the US, where the statue's pedestal was to be financed and constructed. The statue alone cost the French an estimated $250,000, more than $5.5 million in today's money. Finally completed in Paris in the summer of 1884, the statue resembled a robed female figure with an uplifted arm holding a torch, and in her left hand carries a tablet with handles, with inscription that said July 4, 1776, which is the date of the U.S. Declaration of Independence. The broken shackle and chain lie at her feet as she walks forward, commemorating the recent national abolition of slavery. The Statue of Liberty reached its new home on Bedloes Island in New York Harbor on June 17, 1885. After being reassembled, the 450,000-pound statue was officially dedicated on October 28, 1886. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.